Hi, this is Rick Brandenburg for Turf Bugs and Rock and Roll, North Carolina State University. One of the things we talk about a lot in our profession is water. Obviously with turf we use water a lot for irrigation, we use water for application of products. Water is just critically important. And we know that that's become really a global issue, but it's certainly become a national issue. In certain parts of the country where they're really having drought conditions, restrictions on watering and irrigation has become big, changes in landscaping has become big. I know several years ago in Raleigh we had a really dry summer, and then the next year there were changes made, there were incentives to change your lawn from cool season to warm season turf, lots of restrictions on irrigation. And when water is really critical to what we do and the product quality that we can deliver. So as water issues continue to be something that we have to face and deal with, it's important to keep in mind that as we change, for example, turf types, obviously we can change the pests we have. But even if we are forced to change irrigation schedules, reduce irrigation, and change the whole manner by which we do it, that can really have a dramatic impact on pest issues and obviously weeds and diseases, but certainly with insects. We can change actually the species composition that we have, and we can run from pests that are more of a problem under optimal growing conditions for turf to insect pests that take advantage of turf that's under stress, drier conditions. So we can actually see shifts. So be aware that if we find ourselves in situations where irrigation is greatly restricted, rainfall is much less than it often was, things are going to change, and also water quality can change, and we know that water quality can really impact pesticide performance. So it's a challenge in many ways, but it's a challenge in ways that we don't always stop and think about as far as the pest problems and our ability to deal with pests with changes in water quality. So if you're in an area where you have specific challenges, and obviously every year changes from abundant rainfall to dry rainfall one year to the next, understand that this can really change the species complex we're dealing with, the timing of that pest outbreak, even if it's the same pest, and also that we can run into issues with pesticide performance if water quality deteriorates significantly. Hope that helps. We'll try to deal with this topic a little bit more as the summer continues, but hope that helps, and look forward to talking with you again soon. Thanks.